Hi everyone, how can solve this radical problem? Square root of 199 square plus 199 plus 200 is equal to square root of, here 199 square we can write 199 times 199 plus 199 plus 200 is equal to square root of, here we can take common 199, so we will have 199 plus 1 plus 200 is equal to square root of 199 times 199 plus 1 is equal to 200 plus 200 is equal to square root of 199, here we can take common 200, so we will have 199 plus 1 is equal to 200 times 199 plus 1 is equal to 200 is equal to 200 times 200 is equal to 200 square. Now this square cancel out this square root, so the right answer is 200. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.